Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video, and this is the 21st video of the Python playlist. This video is all about the dictionary. So the scope of this video is to understand what is the dictionary, how to represent the dictionary, what are the characteristics of the dictionary, what are the way to create the object of the dictionary, how to access the element of the dictionary, as well as what are the default function we have for the dictionary. All those concepts we are going to learn while coding only. So this video is all about the hands-on video only. Okay. First we will code, then we will understand the theoretical part of that. Clear? Now, what is the dictionary? So far, what are the data types we learn? Like we learn list, we learn set, we learn tuple. These are all the data types are represented for holding the more than one value in a single variable, which is fine. But what happens if you have a data which represent a key and value pair? Assume that the roll number and the student name is the relation between key and value pair. Same as passport and the citizenship. Both are the relations of the key and value pair only. So these are all types of data exist and we need to deal with that. By using list, set and tuple, we exactly can't deal. Because list, set and tuple is holding the data, all the data doesn't have the key and value concept. Now to hold these kinds of data, having three data type, which is list, set and tuple, is very challenging. So Python has introduced another data type which is called dictionary. Dictionary is built in such a way that it holds the data in a key and value pair. Since it is holding the data in key and value pair, hence key should be always unique, whereas value may be or may not be. Okay. So this is high level about the dictionary. These are all is the characteristics of the dictionary that we are going to learn in upcoming slide by having the coding example also. Okay. The focus here is in this slide, the dictionary element are ordered. Ordered means the way we insert the element, same way we will get the element. These changes has been done after Python 3.6 onward. Before that, the element of the dictionary was not ordered. So this is the key highlight of these slides and we are going to learn in upcoming slides. Now, coming to the point that how to represent a dictionary. So far we understood that dictionary is the data type which actually hold the data in the form of key and value. But the question is that how to write the dictionary which hold the data in the form of key and value pair. In order to do that, we have to represent the dictionary in the form of curly braces, which is right here. Inside the curly braces, we are going to write the data in the form of key and value pair, where key and value are divided through the colon. Now coming to the lab 1, here I am creating the first dictionary variable. So I am creating educator, educator. This is the dictionary variable name, equal to within a curly braces. Okay. As I already said, the dictionary can be represented with the help of curly braces, where we have the data in the form of key and value pair. So I am writing key as a name, value as a APIPOTHI, comma, this is the first value. Second I am typing here is video, VIDEOS. This video is all about the Python. Also, I am writing here playlist. Which playlist it is? So I'm writing PYTHON Python playlist. Okay. Now let me arrange a little bit so that it looks good. So this is our dictionary created. What is the educator? Educator is the dictionary object, we can say for now. What is the name? This is the key. What is the videos? This is again a key. What is the playlist? This is again a key. What is this API POTHI? Value. What is this Python? Is called value. What is this Python playlist? Is called value. Clear? Now we got to know what is the key and what is the value. One more thing that we need to understand. If I will say what is this selected area, or what is this, or what is this, then what we can say? So the combination of key and value is called entry. Okay. This is also one entry. This is also one entry. So if I will say this dictionary contain 3 entry. What it contain? It contain 3 entry. Which means that we have the 3 entry, each entry having their respective key and value. So this is called key, whereas this is called value, and a combination of key and value is called one entry. Clear? Now sir, you told me this is the dictionary, but how can I believe you this is the dictionary? Right? You don't have to believe me. So for that, we are going to check the type. What I have created, educator. So I am just checking the type of the educator, what exactly it is. So if I run this code, you see it is saying that it is the dictionary. So our target is achieved. We want to create a dictionary and we have created the dictionary. Good. Now just for interest, I am also printing the value of the dictionary. So just print educator. You see, the value got printed here successfully. So this is the how to represent a dictionary. Now coming to the next important concept is called characteristics of the dictionary. So the first characteristics of the dictionary is called the element of dictionary is ordered. It means that the way I am inserting the element, in the same way I am getting the element also. That is called ordered. So the element of a dictionary is preserving the insertion order. These changes happen after 3.5. Okay, you see, this is the documentation of the Python. So just to prove that, I am having lab 2 where I am simply copying paste the same code. Okay, lab 2. You see here, key value. First I am inserting name, then I am inserting the videos, then I am inserting the playlist. After running this code, same way I am getting name, videos, playlist. Name, videos, playlist. So the way I am inserting the data, same way I am getting the data. So that I can say that dictionary preserve the insertion order. Clear? Now coming to the second characteristics of the dictionary is called mutable. Mutable means we can add, update and delete the element of the dictionary. To do that, I am having same example I am putting into the lab 3. Okay. Now let me run this code. You see it is running. All good. Now I want to perform the addition operator. In order to do the addition, we have to take the reference of the dictionary, which is name here is the educator, and I am inserting the element by giving the key and value, because dictionary hold the data in the form of key and value. First I am giving the key. Key I am giving as a, what should I give? The playlist name I am giving APACHEKA AFK, Apache Kafka. Okay. So for Apache Kafka, I am telling it has 20 videos. Clear? So now I have added one key corresponding to that one value. Now I am printing it. What I am doing? I am printing it. Now let me run this code. Do you see here? Apache Kafka got added as a key, whereas 20 is video as a value. So technically I am able to perform the add operation. Now I want to do the update. To do the update, same data I am getting, I realize that Apache Kafka has 29 video instead of 20. So I have changed from 20 to 29. Now I am running this code. Do you see here? It got changed to the from 20 to 29. So technically I am able to perform the update operation also. Left with the one operation which is called delete. In order to do that, I have to remove it. So to remove the data from the dictionary, we have to use the keyword called del. Okay. And then we have to take the object name of the dictionary, and I have to say that from this dictionary, I want to delete the data of this key. So technically input I am providing as a key as a input. 29 video is what? Value. What is the key? Apache Kafka. So I am telling delete this key from this dictionary. After deleting, again if I am printing, you see the Apache Kafka will get deleted. Do you see Apache Kafka here? No. Means it got deleted. So technically, I am able to perform all those operations like add, update and delete, which means that I am able to perform the mutable concept also. So I have proved that the object of the dictionary is mutable. Okay. Now coming to the next concept is called no duplicate keys. As soon as we talk in the general form keys itself means no duplicate. But at the end, we have to write a code to prove that. So for that, I am writing code here called lab 4. So this is my lab 4. I am taking the same example. Okay. Now I am running this code. All good. Good. Now what I am doing is, this is the add operation. Same copy paste I am doing it here. But in this add operation, this is the name. Name is what? Key. For this value is associated is called API POTHI. Video is what? Key. Value is associated as a Python. So this key I am taking it here and I am saying new Python. So in this line, what I am trying to do? I am trying to add one entry where key should be videos, value should be this one. But technically if you see, from this dictionary to this dictionary, key is duplicate. I am making what? I am making key as a duplicate. Why duplicate? You see video is here also, video is here also. So key is same, value is different. So we are not focusing on the value side. Instead, we are focusing on the key side, saying that no duplicate keys are allowed. And I am trying to add the duplicate key. Now I am running this code. Unfortunately, if I will run this code, you will not get any error. So if I will run this code, you are not getting any error. Do you see any error? No. Then what will happen? What happen is, before add, this was our dictionary. After add, what happen is, we are trying to add the videos, okay, with the same key. So it is not throwing you the error, but internally what happen is your key value got replaced with the new value. So technically this becomes the update for you. But at the end, duplicate keys are not allowed. Got it? But here I am trying to add the duplicate keys. But you see, do you see 2 times videos here? No, videos is only 1 times. But value got replaced with the latest one. So that is basically the concept of duplicate keys. Duplicate key will be always unique, whereas if you are trying to add the duplicate key, the value will get replaced with the existing one or latest one or new one. That is called duplicate key concept. Iterable is the way to access the element from the dictionary. There are so many ways to access the element that we will learn in the section of where we are accessing the element from the dictionary. So this iterable part I am skipping for now. Coming to the another important concept of the dictionary is called heterogeneous. Name itself is saying that your dictionary should be able to hold more than one data type into a single dictionary object. Then that types of dictionary is called heterogeneous dictionary. Got it? So to have the heterogeneous dictionary, let me create the lab 5. Lab 5. So this is my dictionary where I am writing here name equal to this one. This is what, if I will say this is what, string type. Okay. Key string, value string. We are more focusing on the value side. Now, second key I am putting as a age. Age I am putting here as a 28. What is the 28? 28 is the integer. So I am writing here integer. Third data type, I am taking help of grades, grades from the different subject, which I am taking as a 85, 67, 30. What is this? What is this? Tell me on the chat window. This is list because it has a square bracket. Now, what left is enrolled. Now here I am putting TRUE, true. This is what boolean. So I got string, integer, list, boolean. Okay. So now if I will print this one, you will see all good. You are able to see the data. Even though if I am trying to check the type of educator, you will see this is dictionary only. You see here dictionary. So technically my dictionary is able to hold all types of data type, the string, integer, list, boolean. So I have proved that the dictionary can hold heterogeneous data also. Now coming to the another concept of the dictionary is called dynamic size. Dynamic size means we have a dictionary. In that dictionary I perform the add operation. So the size of dictionary got changed. After that I perform the delete operation. Size of the dictionary got changed. Again I perform the add operation. Size of the dictionary got changed. Who is doing these are all? Definitely if you see, developer is not writing any code in order to increase the size of a dictionary or decrease the size of a dictionary. These are all done in background by Python itself, who automatically maintain the size of the dictionary depends upon your input. So it is basically changing the size dynamically. Concept remains same. If I am creating the lab 6 here and I am taking the example of add, update and delete. You see, if I will run this code, size is automatically getting changed. I am not writing any code to maintain the size of the dictionary. This is done by the Python itself. So I can say that the Python is dynamically maintaining the size of the dictionary. Now coming to the another important concept of the dictionary is called key value pair. We know already that the dictionary is holding the data in the form of key and value. But what is the new here? Nothing new here. The concept almost remains same with a few twists. As I already said that the dictionary is holding the data in the form of key and value pair, whereas key is unique. Now let me take some another example. Key value pair. This is the dictionary object name equal to, within a curly braces, I am writing the data in the form of key and value. So I am writing 1, ONE1, 2, TWO2, 3, 3, 4, column 4. Now if I am printing the dictionary, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same order. All good, no problem. What technically I am trying to tell is that why key should be unique. Key is unique because this key is associated with one value. If I want to access ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, I need to take a help from the respective key. So for ONE1, what is the key? 1. For TWO2, what is the key? 2. So if I want to print if I am interested to print only one data, so I have to take the dictionary object and I have to say that I need the data from this key. 3 is what? Key. Now this guy is going to give me the output as a 3. You see, 3. So this is the why key and value pair are important. Another reason is that if I want to perform the update also, then who will come into the picture? Key will only come into the picture. Why? Because if you see here, I am saying for this dictionary, the key is 3. For this 3, update the value as a THRITY, 33. Now if I will print, you will get the new dictionary where for this 3, the value is 33. How this happened? This happened because I have updated the value for this key. So who is playing the important role here? Key is playing. Value can be anything. I don't mind. But for which key I am putting the value, that is matters. So this key play a role here. Okay. That is reason key should be always unique. Now another concept is called key lookup. Assume that you want to search some object in your house and you exactly know that object is available where in your house. What you will do? In one go you will go collect the object and return it. How much time it will take? It's very quick. Why it is quick? Because you know that this object is available there only. Because you know that you want to search a phone and the phone is available on your desk only. So you will directly walk to the desk and get the phone from there. Searching is very easy. Similar way, if I know that, so accessing THREE 3 directly through the integer 3 is easy because I know for this 3 this is the key. So if you know the key, means key lookup is very fast in the dictionary. Again, this is another important concept is, so far we know that the dictionary object is mutable. But now we are going to be very specific that not dictionary, key of the dictionary must be immutable. Key, we are only talking about the key, not the value, which means not the entire dictionary. Now coming to the lab number 8. So here what I am trying to prove is that the key must be immutable. It means that applicable data type for the key is string, number means integer and float, or tuple. Got it? Because string independently proving that I am immutable. Number is also proved that I am immutable. Tuple is also proving that I am immutable. Then who is saying that I am not the immutable? List. Mr. List is saying that I am not a immutable. I am actually a mutable, so I cannot become the key for dictionary. Whereas dictionary is saying that my key should be immutable. Contradiction happen. To avoid this contradiction, Python is saying that since list is a mutable, so I cannot take list as a key inside the dictionary. So I will write a code to prove that. I am writing one string, everything is on key area. Okay. So invalid dictionary equal to curly braces. So this all example is based on the key. So we will more focusing on the key. So key is name. Name is what? String, API, POTHI. We are not focusing on the value string. Now this is the key. I am writing here key string. Okay. Second, I am giving as a 42. What is the 42? 42 is the integer. So I will write here integer key. I am integer key. So this is the key as a int. Third object is called tuple. So I am defining a tuple 1, 2. This bracket is for tuple. So I am writing here I am tuple tuple key. So hashtag key tuple. Now I am printing this dictionary. Print invalid object. Also I am checking the type of this one. Now let me run this code. You see, this is the dictionary. All the data got printed successfully. Means so far we are good. So till now we are in happy cases. Means here I am saying that string, number, float or tuple can be your key. String, number, tuple is my key. I am happy. Now it's time to have the negative scenario. Negative scenario is saying that the list cannot be a key for the dictionary. So I am trying to have the list here, something 3, 4, and I am saying I am list key. Okay, I am list key. Now this guy is going to give you the error. You see here error, type error. Why type error? Because dictionary itself told you earlier, I am not going to accept the list. Why I am not going to accept the list? Because list is the mutable and I like only immutable. So contradiction, that is the reason it is not accepting. Clear? So I am commenting this line. So this concept is clear now. The key must be a immutable in dictionary. Now it's time to learn what are the way to create the object of the dictionary. So far, how we created the dictionary? Dictionary we have created having the curly braces where key and value is differentiated with the colon or separated with the help of colon. Now we are going to learn lab number 9. Empty dictionary. Now, so the first concept is called empty dictionary, means how to create the empty dictionary. So I have created the dictionary with the help of curly braces. Since this dictionary does not have any data, means key and value, so I am not going to have the colon. So I am checking here, so really this is the dictionary or not. So how to check? So with the help of type function. So I am running this code and you see it is saying the dictionary. So somehow I am successfully able to create the dictionary, which is called empty dictionary because it does not have any data. Now coming to the lab number 10. Lab number 10 is dictionary with element, which we already know so many places. This is the dictionary which has the element lab number 10. That's all. This is easy one. Third one is called dictionary with the help of dist function. Now I am creating the lab number 11. So I am creating my dictionary equal to DICT with the help of dist function. So I have created one dictionary with the help of dist function. First of all, I need to check the type, whether this is the dictionary or not. So it will say definitely this is the dictionary because I already said that the dictionary can be created with the help of dist function. So this is the dictionary, I have proved that. Now you have to tell me into the comment section that which types of dictionary it is. Okay. So this is basically called as a empty dictionary because it does not have any data. Clear? So this dictionary I have created with the help of dist function. Now let me do something else. So I am creating one more dictionary called person, P-E-R-S-O-N, person equal to D-I-C-T. Now I am putting name equal to API, P-O-T-H-I, API, POTHI, age equal to 30, occupation equal to ENGINEER, engineer. Okay. Now I am printing the person. You will see, you will get the dictionary. You see key and value pair. Whereas this was not the dictionary earlier. So this is the way you can create a dictionary with the help of dist function. Now coming to the another concept called list. How to create the list object using comprehension way. So I am creating lab number 12. I am creating one dictionary called number square equal to this one. Okay, where I am taking one for from X to range, range. So technically I am printing from 0 to 6, 1, 6. So when I am getting the value from range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, each value I want to square. So X auto square into 2. So now if I will print this one, what will happen is, so first understand this code what I did. This is the for loop I am running from 1 to 6 with the help of range function, and then each value I am taking doing the square. So you see 1 to 5, 1, 2, key, 3, 4, 5, each value 1, 4, 2, 2 is 4, 9, 3, 3, 9, 4, 4 square, 16, 5, 5, 25. This is the way again I have created the, you see, key and value pair, key and value pair. So this is the dictionary which is called comprehension dictionary. Again, this is the concept, not the help of any function. Whereas another dictionary is called, we can create the dictionary using the zip function, ZIP, zip. This is the interesting one where we have something called keys into the square bracket keys, okay? Name, comma, age, comma, occupation. If I will print the type of keys, what we will get? Please ping on the chat window. It is the list. This bracket is for list. Now value equal to name API POTHI is 30 occupation engineer. Okay. So I am putting here value means person. PERSON. This is the key, this is the person. Sorry. Value is put person, I will clear later. Now, and this is again the list only. Okay. Now I am creating one object called person, where I am taking the help from the dist function and taking also help from the zip function. Inside the zip function, I am passing the keys, comma, values. If I am printing now person, what magic you will see is that you will get key and value form, which is the dictionary. If at all, you will check the type of person, Mr. Person. It will say that it is dictionary only. Oh no, type of person. Okay. You see, it is dictionary only. So this is again another way to create the dictionary with the help of zip as well as dist function. Clear? Now, another last way to create the dictionary object using the from keys function. Now let me create the lab number 14. So this is key, which is the list only. Okay. Now I have the value, but this value I am not sure that currently I don't have value for any of the my key. Okay. So what I am putting NA. Variable I am putting as a DEFAULT, default value, just for understanding. Now what I am doing is, we have the dist. From the dist, I am calling the from keys. Here I am passing the argument as a key and default value, which I am receiving into the person object, which is the dictionary. If I will print now person, you will see for all the key, NA will be the value assigned. For key, this is the value NA. For age, NA. For occupation, NA. For all the key, value will get assigned. Again, if I will check the type of person, you will see this one as a dictionary only. So this is another way to create the dictionary. So this is all the way we know that how to create the object of the dictionary. Now, as I already said, that iterable. Iterable is the concept which is exactly saying that how to access the element of the dictionary. So these are all is the way to access the element from the dictionary. So first way that we are going to learn in lab number 15. So we are going to learn how to access the element from the dictionary with the help of a square bracket. Till now we have used this concept only in order to access the element from the dictionary. So I have this dictionary. Okay. I want to access the element of this key. So key I will provide as an input. How to do that? So with the print, I will take the dictionary and I will ask, give me the object or give me the data of this key. Okay. Should be in double quote. This guy is going to give me the output as a API POTHI. Whereas if I will accessing the element from for this key, which is videos, playlist, Python playlist. Okay. Now if I run this code, you see API POTHI, Python playlist. So I am able to access the element from the dictionary with the help of a square bracket. So this is the first thing that I can get the data with the help of a square bracket. Second way is that I have to get the data with the help of get function, with the help of get method. So instead of this bracket, I will write dot get. So the dictionary name, from the dictionary I am calling the get method and I am passing argument as a key. Videos, playlist. Okay. I will get the same output. You see API POTHI, Python playlist. Clear? this I am able to access the element with the help of get method. Now coming to the another way, which is using the for loop. So lab number 17. So I have the same dictionary. I want to access the element of the dictionary using for loop key. For I will take the data from the educator. I have to take the data from the educator, which is the source of the data, and then I will receive the data inside the key. And I got the key. Now I will print the educator and I will pass the key as an object. So what I will get? You see, I am getting value. Yes or no? If I want to get key only, so I will just pass the key. I will get key as well as value both. You see, this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, this is key, this is the value. So this is the way I can use the for loop with respect to key. Now coming to the lab number 18. So I have another function is called keys, K-E-Y-S, keys. So from this dictionary, I am calling the keys. So this guys is give me the all the keys. Now with the keys, what I will do? I will have the for loop. So keys is the source type. From here, I will get the data inside the key. And I will print the key. And I need the value. So from this dictionary, I am asking give the value for this key. If I run this code, see, same output. This is the with the help of key method. Now coming to the another lab 19. Okay, where we can access the data through values method, VALUES. So instead of keys, I will be having values, value and value, because I am accessing the value, no key. So if I run this code, I will get only value. So just giving you the quick recap. With the square bracket, I am providing the input as a key, I got the value. With the get method, I am providing input as a key, I got the value. Through the loop, I am iterating the key, and for the respective key, I am getting the value. With the keys method, I am getting all those key. With the values method, I am getting all those value. But there is another way also that I need to get the item. You remember, right? I said that earlier. This is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, where one complete key and value is called as an entry, as well as it is also called as an item. So to have this one, we have the method called item. So here I am calling the .item, items. Okay. These items will give you key and value at the same time. So this is returning you the two things, keys and value. So I am printing here key and value. Now if I run this code, you see key, value, key, value, key, value. So with the help of item, you can get everything in one go. So this is all the way to get the data from the dictionary. Now coming to the next concept called built-in function supported in dictionary. So the first function that we are going to learn is called clear. What basically clear function is doing that, it is removing all the data from the dictionary, having your dictionary object. So lab number 21. So this is the dictionary from the educator. I am just calling the clear. But still if I will print the educator, I will get empty dictionary, because I am not deleting the dictionary object. Instead, I am clearing the dictionary. Do you see? Good. Now 21, 22. Copy. Copy means it will create another dictionary for you. Technically, this is called as a cloning. There are two types of cloning. One is called shallow cloning, one is called deep cloning. We are not going to know that what is the shallow, what is the deep cloning, but we are only going to understand here is it is creating one copy for your dictionary. That's all. So here I am calling one function called copy. So this is creating the educators, COPY. Now if I will print educator as well as educator copy, you will get the same data in both the dictionary, because I am doing the copy. Do you see? So copy means it will exactly create the two, duplicate. Now next one is called get. So far, what we know about the get? We know that get is the function which will help you to get the data from the dictionary. So assume that from here, if I am calling the get and saying the name, then what I will get it? I will get as a, let me change the variable name. Now let me run this code. I got API POTHI. Clear? But what will happen is, if I will copy this code and I will place here, and I am accessing the GENDER. I am providing the gender as a key inside this dictionary, and I am expecting some output which I am receiving inside the gender. So I am printing the gender. Now technically what is happening is that in this dictionary there is no key which is actually a gender. Do you see any key as a gender? No. Now what will happen, if I run this code, it will give you none. Now I am not very sure that this gender as a key is available inside the dictionary or not. So if I am writing the code in that way, I will get output as a none. Clear? There are better way to write the code, which is, if I am confused that whether gender will be there, may be there or may not be there, that is the confusion. So what I am writing here is, if gender is there, give me the output. If gender is not there, give me NA. If I run this code, you will get as a output as a NA, not none. But in the another way, if I am adding here gender, you will get output as a what value I am giving for this key. If I will run this code, you will get output as a male. You see, male. So technically get means, if you are not very sure that for this key value is exist or not exist, then you have to provide your own default value here. So if value exists, you will get the exact output. If that key is not exist, then you will get the default value as a output. Now the another concept is called update. Now let me write the code, then you will get it. 24. Now I am printing the educator. Okay. So this I will, now here I am doing the update. What I am doing? Update. Update with what? Update with what? I have to provide the data, what update I am doing. So additional info, I am creating one variable. I am creating one dictionary here, occupation, engineer. Now through the update, I am passing this one as a argument. Now I am printing the educator. Now we'll see occupation engineer will get updated here. So this is how we can update the dictionary. Clear? Now another concept is called set default. This is again another important concept. Let me write the code, then we will get what exactly it is. 25. So far we are good. So this is the same dictionary I am going to use. Okay. So here what I am doing is, this is my dictionary object. From here I am calling the set default. And I am calling the gender, gender equal to NA. This is little bit same with the last example. Okay. Now I am receiving as a gender, gender, gender equal to. And here I am printing the gender. What is the output I will get? Output I will get as a NA. Okay. Because gender is not there. But if gender will be there, then what will happen? Then it will take this as a output. It will in male and it will exclude the NA. So this is the set default. Okay, if keys exist, then return the value. If keys not exist, then set the default value. Now coming to the another one called keys. Keys we already know, we already learned. It will return you all those keys. We already did the example. Values, it will return you all those values. Then what is this item? It will return key and value both. Pop item, lab number 26. Pop item means it will remove the key and value and it will return it. Here with the help of dictionary object I am calling the pop item, and then it will return you the last item from there and it will print that what it is deleting. Now let me run this code. You see, it is deleting the last item from the dictionary. So the pop item means remove and return the last key and value from the respective dictionary, not tuple. This is the type. Now coming to the another concept is called pop key. Pop item, you know, right? It will delete the element from the last. Okay. Whereas pop key will also delete, but whatever I want, that one it will delete. So I want to delete the value as a name. I want to delete as a name for this NAME name. Okay. So if I run this code, you see it will delete it. I will print this dictionary here. Then you will see name got deleted. You see name equal to API POTHI was there. Here he is deleting the API POTHI, and now this dictionary does not have the API POTHI. So it is deleting whatever I want to delete. I am passing the key as a argument. Clear? Now coming to the lab number 28. 28 is what? Pop key. Assume that the key which I am trying to delete it. I am trying to delete name 1. This key is there? No. If key is not exist, then it will give you the error. Key error. If key is not exist, then it will give you the error. So for that only, the concept called as a pop with default value. Here I am passing the argument that I do not know the key. I do not know the key. So this key is not exist now, but it will not throw you the error. See here, I do not know the key. But if keys exist, name is exist, right? Then it will delete it. Let's see, it will delete it. So if key exists, it will delete. If key doesn't exist, then it will say that, I don't know. Whatever you write as a default value. That's all. So this is pop with default. That's all we have for the dictionary. We understood the dictionary well. Thank you so much for watching this video.